We're going to dig mudfish today, and this is what we're looking for. There's a small hole. That's where he's breathing.
This one.
Yeah. Oh, okay. All right, now they're going to dig.
Another one is here.
Another one is here. Okay. Tell him to dig. Is he deep, or is he just small?
We are here to
Look at this. Look at this hole just here.
the master.
He's after us.
So, master big. Very big. Big. You see?
How do I know how big he is?
I see him. He's right there.
Ah! Oh, look at this. Look at this.
Big. Big.
He's talking.
Look at him.
Yes.
And he's in a cocoon. Look at this, Mr. Jackson. It's a fish.
Yeah, remove him. Crack him open. He's in a cocoon.
Look at this. Hey, a very good one.
Another one.
And look at the small legs.
You look. Another one.
Another one coming.
Now this one will not be big as compared to this.
Hey. There's. There it is.
God is wonderful.
Is that amazing?
Oh, it's a small one. So look, it's like an egg.
Now open it. Have you seen the hole?
Where
Have you seen this small hole? The hole you not pull it.
Breathing from.
Yes. And then the small ant was open. And it will be.
Oh.
Okay, I want to open it. It looks like an egg. I want to open it.
To open it.
No, not me. I want you to open it. He's in half. He's folded in half. Inside there. Ah.
Look at this.
Let me see his small legs. Show me his legs.
Is that the leg or the breast?
That's his legs.
Yeah, it's like a leg. But
That is not the
It's his legs.
legs.
Oh, never mind.